name is Bonnie Anderson. I am a nurse here in Milwaukee. My organization had been going around for the last 15 years to different apartment complexes, churches, community centers, trying to teach women how to have a mammogram, do clinical breast exam, those kind of things. Well, when the pandemic hit, a lot of the places closed down. So we were really worried about the ladies who still needed mammograms and those kind of things. So what we were able to do is talk to some of the landlords in those apartment complexes, and they let us in. Along with clinical breast exams for these ladies, we had to also educate them about COVID and having their vaccination, which turned out to be pretty difficult because it was early on and so many women were afraid of the vaccination. But over time, we were able to actually get them to understand the need to have that done. On a personal level, several friends of mine were diagnosed with COVID, and 2 of them passed on because of COVID. So I do understand the importance of vaccination. Neither one of those friends, incidentally, were vaccinated at the time. I'm also the church nurse. I had to educate some of our members because, again, they're all African Americans. A lot of them had quite a few other health issues and didn't understand the need to have the vaccination. They figured since they had the health issues, the vaccination would only make it worse. Over time, probably about 85% of them, we were able to convince them how important it was to have the vaccination. So we've been really busy with COVID education. Our organization is Nurses Affecting Change. We work a lot in the community, and we'll just continue to encourage folks to have the vaccination, encourage folks to continue to social distancing and to wear their mask. I know it's not a mask mandate right now, but when I talk to people, I tell them, forget about the mask mandate, wear one because it's important for your health.